The hottest trade in the market are the precious metals, especially gold and silver, platinum, also heating up. But what's going on? What do we do now with gold, with silver, with the mining stocks? This is the playbook because there's going to be a lot of money to be made in the precious metals in 2025.
Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks, and month.
So we got the precious metals rally right. We've been bullish on precious metals here for a month, and now we're reaping the benefits. And now I'm starting to hear all right, Wilhelmy, good job with gold and silver. What's the next hot thing? No. This is just starting, especially with the miners. There is no next hot trade. This is the mistake and let's jump right into the gold chart, that a lot of the traders make all the time, right? They either have the breakout or, unfortunately, more likely, they miss the breakout. Now they're like, oh man, this went away from me. I want to know what the next hot thing is. Think about the chip stocks, 2022, 2023, and then you go into spring, early summer, and everybody is like, the chip stock story, it's over. What's the next hot AI trade? No, the chip stocks were running. They kept going up. You stay in the trade when it's working, and especially when it's early stage. It's like we see with the gold miners and the silver miners. We are not going anywhere. However, if you take a look at the gold chart, you see we are clearly overextended now. Now it's a blue sky scenario. Really, the next serious resistance zone that we have is the upper end of the channel. So that's around 2950 to 2960. But we clearly see, we look at the RSI, we're at 77. We had a region where in the past, here, we have seen tops in the market, right? Here we kept up going up a little bit, and then we had the correction. Here, these are not even as high as we are now, and we already went down on the daily. So they're clearly warning signs that this rally, which is basically fueled by hedge funds and institutional investors being completely underinvested in gold, and now they have to play catch up because this is the hot trade in the market. This is where the action is. This will be one of the top markets of 2025, and they are not in it, so they have to buy at whatever price they can. But let's take a look at let's take a look at silver, right? Silver looks really good, but we can see indecision doji, we have to wait. What happens here when the US markets close? But we are at a zone where right here, as you can see the highs. Let me draw this in for you, but I'm sure you've seen it already. Where we can probably see a consolidation, right? It could even go back to this double support zone of the former downtrend and the uptrend, and it would be completely fine. So let's not panic if we see short-term weakness and correction potential in the precious metals. That is healthy, that is normal, that changes nothing. The breakouts are here. You can clearly see it in silver, confirmed breakout. So that means that the weakness in the precious metals, which then will affect the miners, are buying opportunities, especially with the junior producers that are just starting to wake up. You start to see one technical buy signal after another. I got one chart for you to put an eye on, have on your watch list. Look at B2 Gold, junior producer, right? Triple bottom. And as you can see, we just broke the downtrend yesterday. Haven't confirmed it yet. Broke it yesterday. That started in the fall 2023. Obviously, the short-term downtrend is gone as well. And you can see very nicely, look at this positive divergence in the RSI on the bottom compared, that is going up compared to the stock price going down. Very bullish sign. We see formations like this and positive breakout formations, meaning where some of the really good gold companies are in uptrends and are breaking out to the uptrend, breaking out of consolidation formations. Look at Kinross right here. Perfect uptrend, nice, perfect consolidation, and we broke out, right? Kinross, great swing trading opportunity. If we get a overall correction in gold, probably going to retest the breakout area. You get in around 1090, 1095, perfect trade to get in. But you also can see here, right? We are reaching overbought levels at the RSI. So everything is a little overbought in the precious metal sector, which is completely fine and normal. And we are not worried one bit about it. We see the chance. We know what the overall direction is. The overall direction is up. Not only that, this is setting up to be one of the hot markets in 2025. So we want to be in it. And especially, we want to be in it with the junior miners because they have not moved as much. They're just waking up. And now with gold prices going higher, with silver prices going higher, with platinum prices going higher. Let's take a look at platinum. I want to show you this chart as well. Look what we see here. I told you days ago, we're going to have probably a retest. Boom, had the retest here on Tuesday. Perfect retest. And now this is what we wanted to see, right? We're starting to establish ourselves above the long-term downtrend from 2021. And this is what we want to see in order to have a real bearish to bullish reversal, right? So we are keeping an eye on this. We love it if this keeps going sideways. Maybe it retests the broken downtrend one more time, or this uptrend, even better. But as long as we stay above this uptrend, this is a bullish signal that we're going to have a bearish to bullish reversal, because as you have seen in the past with platinum, we always went back into the downtrend really fast. If this is not happening now, this is our signal something is changing. And then platinum long, platinum mining stocks long, yes please, we are definitely interested in this. So this is our playbook for swing trades. Short term, overbought, overheated. That's fine, that's normal. We definitely don't want to go short, because we never ever want to be short against such powerful uptrend moves, especially when the institutions are underinvested. And if they come in with their big money because they got FOMO, then you're going to get crushed with a short position. So this is not the type of trade where you trade it from both sides. This is the type of trades where you use the correction phase to add to long positions. And I will show you more charts of junior and senior mining stocks that give us trading signals on the long side that we then want to add in weakness, because man, This trade is just starting. There is no next hot trade. This is the trade. We're going to ride this. This is just starting. And if you were in the last commodity bull market, you know how much money you can make and gonna make with the commodities, but especially with the mining stocks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.